This is my aunt's new kitten. His name is Baby Poo. Baby Poo! Actually, that's not his name. I forget what his name is, but he's very tiny. Can you see how tiny he is? He looks bigger when I hold him that close to the camera. This is the first time he let me hold him because he didn't recognize me, and he's still kind of freaked out because I got him half asleep and started petting him. So he's purring, and then he's like, wait a minute, you don't smell like anybody I know. I'm not sure how I feel about this. See, he's starting to kick a little bit. He's like, wait a minute, what is happening here? What is this? What is this? Look how tiny he is.
You're so tiny. You're a tiny little thing. You're a tiny little thing. Look at you. Little teeny tiny little thing. Little teeny tiny kitty. You just wake up from your nap. Teeny tiny kitty.
See if I can pick him up again now. He's probably gonna run.
Yeah. Let's play.